Welcome back. Okay, in this lesson, I just want to emphasize to you the importance of creating a really great listing description and some key pointers from trial and error that I, as well as some of my clients, have used in how they structure their listing and their title description for their listings. So one thing we found that works really well is using bullet points. Short and to the point. Not really long, drawn out descriptions of the property, but hitting on all of the key features, especially those things that you know your avatar would love and would be most appealing to that demographic. So using bullet points helps you to summarize all of the key features really succinctly in a very neat and to the point fashion. Make sure that you have a keyword friendly headline. In other words, pet friendly, smoker friendly, family style, walking distance from medical center, walking distance from the beach, right? Keyword friendly headlines are key to adding keywords that help you to rank better, as well as giving your description the appeal it needs to stand out from the generic descriptions. Be as thorough as possible. I can't emphasize it enough. Make sure everything is filled out. Be thorough, because if you don't state it or show it, people will assume that it does not exist. So, and I emphasize does not exist. So you need to make sure that you state, we have Wi-Fi, we have a smart TV, we have a stroller if you're appealing to vacationers who are bringing their family, king bed, etc. And then of course, high quality professional photos. So your listing should include all of these bullets. Use bullet points when and where possible to make your description short and sweet. Use keyword friendly headlines. Be as thorough as possible in how you lay out especially all of the key features and benefits of the property. Keep the reading level easy, right? You're not writing a dissertation. This is not a Harvard or Oxford style descriptive assignment. This is simply you trying to appeal to the most common sense, fundamental reading individual that just wants to make this experience easy. They don't want to be reading any complicated words they got to look at the definition of. So keep it short, sweet, simple, easy reading level. Make sure you state everything that you need to state so that a person knows what they have to look forward to when booking your listing. Make sure that you include those essential things: Wi-Fi, smart TV, king bed, teapot, coffee pot, all of those things that are essential for the average guest, let alone your avatar and your specific niche. And then of course, high quality professional photos. I can't emphasize this enough. If you have a good camera or a good phone, that's fine, especially for your first listing. But I'm telling you what I know, high quality professional photos rank higher. The better the quality of your photo, the higher it will rank and help you to get seen as a listing on these platforms. So when is the best time to get started or to list your short-term rental? The time is now. Think about it like this: every day you're not listed, you are losing money. A lot of us on this end, in terms of me and my partners, we typically like to conduct a trial run by actually staying in our unit for a day or two to actually get the experience ourselves. There's nothing can beat that, because it's better than somebody giving you a review. You get an opportunity to live in the experience and adjust from there by getting a good understanding of what you could be doing better. It's a very good idea to just do a test run like that. Personally feel the experience, and then you judge for yourself whether or not it's an experience that's optimized to appeal to your target avatar. And if it's not, again, you make the adjustments from there. Important takeaways: get it listed ASAP, or lose money daily. Start small and focus on the biggest platform, which in this case would be Airbnb. I would then maybe transition to Expedia and then Booking.com, or vice versa. But like I said, you may also find one of the other platforms that are more suitable for your avatar from the very beginning. In the beginning, book for reviews, then raise the price. In other words, don't come out the chute trying to maximize how much money you're making. Try to get all of the great reviews and all of the SEO things you need, or the strategies you need, so that you rank extremely high. And then when you become that super host and you're on the front page and everybody's coming to look at your listing, then you can be picky, or you can actually start to try at that point to optimize the price. Ultimately, you want to charge a profitable rate, which means you have to test it and test it again. You have peak seasons and lower seasons. You have weekdays and weekends. You have holidays and non-holidays. All of those things you want to continue to just test to optimize what you're charging for those days. And that comes through just testing what works. If you put it too low and it's getting booked out 3 months, you know, okay, you're probably charging too low, then raise it a little higher. If it's not getting booked enough, like 8 days out of the month, that means your price may be too high of a price point for that market. So you test those things, but those things are also, again, seasonal, based on holidays, a lot of different variables. So the more you grow the business, the more data you are able to accumulate. And when you have it up and running for a while, you can actually look back at the old data and compare, and you'll see what you could be doing better and where you may have fallen short with how you're pricing your unit. Ultimately, you want to charge at a dynamic rate. Means you want that rate to fluctuate daily based on certain tools and software that does it for you once you go in and set your points. All right, I'll see you on the next lesson.